It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
Hi, I'm Jordan Frazier, and today Katie Thompson from Best Rate Repair and Termite is here to talk about swarming season. So thanks for being with me, and I'm a little bit scared to learn about this. What is termite swarming season?
So swarming season is right now going into the springtime. Subterranean termites are going to begin to swarm, and the rain is a big part of that. It creates humidity in the soil. As you know, subterranean termites need moisture to survive, so it kind of gives them that jump start to take flight, find a mate, and start a new colony somewhere around your home.
So unfortunately, a swarm is exactly what I'm thinking of. The more and more termites just going out into the world.
Exactly.
And you said the rains have affected this. It typically is in spring, but because we've had such a rainy season, they're starting early.
Yes, we are noticing them earlier and earlier every year. They're starting now. So you'll start to see evidence of wings dropping around window frames, door sills, things like that. They are attracted to light, so just look for things like that.
So it's time to get a termite inspection is what I'm hearing. What goes into the termite inspection? Whether I've seen any of these signs and I've called you guys out, or if I haven't seen any signs, I should probably still have a termite inspection,
You should.
right?
You should. You should have an inspection at least once a year. It's a really good time now, especially going into swarming season. Get those inspections done. Find out what you have going on at your home, and you can plan accordingly. If you can't afford to do everything all at once, you can spread it out throughout the year, and Best Rate offers financing as well.
So that's incredible. So you can finance these repairs that if you have any termite work that needs to be done, which sounds like they can be localized. So instead of having to tent your home every single time, there's options?
Correct. We have several different options. We have localized treatments, the tenting, fumigation. We also offer subterranean treatments, preventative treatments, and our newest treatment we are so excited about is our heat treatment. So those homeowners who are a little more green cautious about their home, it's non-chemical treatment. It's literally heating up the wood to a certain temperature to eradicate those termites.
That's incredible. So get your free termite inspection today. It is not a matter of if your home will get termites, but when. Call Best Rate today for your free inspection at 619-407-9097.